What is up, y'all? It is Maya and I'm back again with another YouTube video. As you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a little curly ponytail for the summer, tutorial. So before we get into it, I'm going to show y'all the products I'm going to be using. So I'm using gel. I use Eco Seller. Y'all can use any type of gel you want. It doesn't matter. You need a brush, a toothbrush or edge brush for your edges. You need a spray bottle. This is like water mixed with leave-in conditioner. You need some bobby pins. This is all I got left. And you need a hairbrush to detangle, and you need hair, of course. I'm only keeping this in for like 3 days anyway, so I wasn't gonna spend money on like human hair. But this is Shake and Go. It's the master mix, so it's a mixture of human hair and synthetic hair. And the curl pattern is water curl, I believe, and it feels it's mad soft. Like, oh my god, like I love it. And last but not least, you need some oil, any oil of your choice. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna use both bundles or whatever. I'm gonna see. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I just washed and deep conditioned my hair, and I'm just taking it out the little bun. I probably had it in there for like an hour or so, just letting it dry a little bit. So what I'm about to do now, I'm about to spray my hair with my leave-in and water mixture. That is what I'm spraying in my hair now. And I'm just going to detangle it and just to give it some moisture. So yeah. So now I'm detangling. It wasn't as like nappy as I thought it was going to be. But yeah. And the brush I'm using, it's very nice. It really knows how to get all the tangles out and whatnot. So now I'm going to put my little oil mixture just to seal in that moisture. So I'm just putting that all in my hair. Getting it all in my ends. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my gel and I'm just smoothing it all in my hair. Really trying to get it smooth so when I brush it, it's nice and sleek. And I'm also like getting in between spaces of my hair just so everything is nice and sleek when I brush it. Just smoothing it out. Now I'm brushing it. Now when you're doing this ponytail, you want to make sure that everything is nice and smooth and sleek. You don't want no lumps, bumps, nothing. So that's what you'll see me doing here, just making sure everything is nice and smooth. Still smoothing it out. Still smoothing. Still smoothing. It's gonna take a while, y'all. Gotta make sure it's nice and smooth. Gonna make sure everything is nice and smooth. I know y'all see me brushing over and over again, but it's only because I don't want no lumps, bumps, nothing. As I said before, you want to make sure everything is nice and flat. Now I'm putting my scrunchie. See, my scrunchie popped. Y'all see it popped. So I'm just getting another one. Okay, so now I'm putting my scrunchie in. And I got a more durable one. I'm just brushing it one more time. Brushing it some more. Now I'm putting my scrunchie. And right after I put my scrunchie, I like to brush it just a little bit more. So again, everything's nice and smooth. Taking some more gel, smoothing it on the top. And brushing it some more. And now I'm taking my scrunchie out and I'm going to brush again. And I'm using my detangling brush because it's like really hard. And it gets everything really, really flat and smooth. Now I'm putting back my scrunchie. Now, what you see me doing here is I'm like twisting it in the back just to make sure that when I'm wrapping the ponytail, like none of my hair is sticking out. So that's what you see me doing here. And I'm looking for my other scrunchie, which I'm going to use to secure the twist. I went to go get another one because I could not find it. Okay, I'm back. So I have my scrunchie pack. I'm getting my second scrunchie. I'm retwisting it because it fell out. It came out when I went to go get my other scrunchie. So I'm retwisting it, putting my other scrunchie just to secure it. Now I'm actually going to use another scrunchie just to make sure it's nice and secure, because I don't want none of my hair coming out. I know y'all tired of me seeing me brushing my hair, but it has to be smooth. This is the last time. Now I'm undoing the bundle and just taking out the string and whatnot, and I'm about to wrap my hair with it. Kind of took me a while. It was very hard. As y'all could tell, I have very small hands, so stuff like this takes a little bit of time. But luckily this video is sped up, so it doesn't look as time consuming. Okay, so I have the bundle unwrapped. I thought it was going to be a bit more tangled than this because it is half synthetic, half human, but it actually was not that hard to take down. So now I'm wrapping the bundle around the little twist that I did, and I'm just securing it with a bobby pin so while I'm wrapping it does not come out. Just wrapping it, and that's what you're seeing me doing here. Almost done wrapping. So towards the end it did start to get a little tangled, so what I'm doing, I'm just like pulling it apart, I guess, but it wasn't that bad. Realized that I don't need the second bundle, so I just saved that for my next ponytail. This is already thick enough, so Monty's just playing with it, whatever, you know. So I'm almost done wrapping. This felt like it took forever, y'all. It really did. My arms is hurting. I got cramps, but beauty is pain. Almost done wrapping. Okay, so now I'm finally finished and I'm just securing that last bit with the bobby pin. So when I'm shaking my hair around, I don't want my ponytail on the floor. We don't want any of that. So we're gonna make sure everything is secured. Okay, so I'm just pulling it apart because it did get a little nappy and tangled towards the end. Just pulling it apart. And again, it wasn't that bad, like, because it's not like 100% synthetic, so it wasn't that tangled. See, I'm feeling myself, whatever. But it's not over yet. We have one more thing that we have to do. I apologize for the sirens and the cars. I'm right by the window, so yeah. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a little piece of hair from the back of the ponytail, and what you see me doing now is I'm going to take my, just detangling them. Now I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to comb it out. Combing it out here, and now I'm just gonna wrap it around the weft because you do not want to see the weft. That's ghetto. You don't want to see that part. So you're gonna wrap it around and you're gonna cover it. That's what you'll see me doing now. So I'm wrapping it and wrapping it and wrapping it. I didn't realize how long it was. This was 24 inches. So I didn't realize how long it was going to take me to wrap this thing around the web. So now it's finally wrapped. I'm gonna take my bobby pin. We're gonna secure it. Because, you know, like I said before, we don't want our ponytail on the floor when we're shaking our hair around. We want everything to be secure. Now I'm brushing my hair just to get it really sleek. Now the fun part, I'm gonna do my edges. So I'm just brushing it down, and I am gonna use Eco Styler to sleek my edges. So I'm just brushing my edges down. I'm gonna take some gel, put it all on my baby hairs, you know. I'm gonna smooth it with my little toothbrush. And now the final step, I'm going to take my oil just for some shine. I don't really like to use sheen sprays like that, so I'll take my oil, smooth it all on there, just make it nice and shiny. And I find that it also keeps the gel from like making my hair crunchy. But yeah. Okay, so my hair is done. I like it. It came out nice. The hair is nice. Just everything. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm just playing with it. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you want like any more hair tutorials, you can comment down below. And catch y'all later.